Avoiding these 6 mistakes when you open a new credit card account can help save you money. Avoiding gotchas and making sure not to miss out on any of those benefits when optimizing your new credit card is super important. So here are some common mistakes people make after getting a new credit card. You may already have several credit cards in your wallet, but you may not know how they function. When you first activate your card, you face numerous risks that may prevent you from receiving all the benefits. So number 1, don't mess up your welcome bonus. Rewards cards with sign-up bonuses usually come with strings attached. You might have to spend $1,000 on the card in the first 3 months, for example, or you won't receive that $200 bonus. So to satisfy the minimum spending requirements quickly, you're going to want to charge everything you can to the new card while avoiding overspending. You can rack up some spending for a big purchase when you offer to pick up the check for dinner with friends and have them reimburse you, for example, through Venmo. Switching to a new card for your monthly expenses, such as subscriptions, is also a good tactic. Buy store gift cards to pay for future purchases. Just ensure you follow the regulations. And spending requirements are usually not included on the return or refund. Now, the clock is also counting down on taking advantage of introductory 0% interest offers, so make sure to note that in the deadline on that card. And number 2, the logistics of the card. Other than activation, new cards come with a variety of tasks. You can get online access, download the app, sign up for an online account. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's most recent data indicates that fewer than 2/3 of cardholders have downloaded the app. You can add the new card to an existing account or merge the accounts under a single login. Or if you already have a card from the same issuer, you can add the new card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay to ensure you're actually using it. And you can use it from your smartphone with wireless checkout readers by logging into the account. Now, according to a study in 2021, the study by J.D. Power, 1/3 of cardholders are currently using mobile payment services with their credit cards. So you can adjust your account settings to customize the auto pay, make sure you're paying that bill on time every month. You could go to paperless billing, big purchase alerts so that you're going to get alerted if anybody's used that card. If you went to a shady 7-Eleven and they ended up hacking your card information and using it somewhere, you'll get due date reminders, and you can have other features set up by taking care of the logistics of the account. If you can, adjust your billing date on the account so that it's even earlier than when it's due. Now, in particular, airports have airport lounges, travel loyalty programs, and rewards dining programs, among other things, that are going to require you to enroll in those new accounts for travel credit cards. So you could skip signing the back of the credit card, but you're going to want to make sure you take care of some of those other things. Number 3, having the wrong bonus categories. So you may be disappointed merchants are identified by their merchant category code, or MCC. Because Costco is considered a warehouse club rather than a supermarket, many cards won't offer that extra points or cash back. So make sure to log into those accounts, switch your payment method to the new card if your subscription falls into a bonus category such as streaming services, rather than relying on the cards designed to remind you of bonus categories. Develop a system to remember those categories for future use. And you might even want to attach a reminder note to the physical card or write down the categories on a file on your smartphone, for example. That way you're always utilizing them in the appropriate way and getting as much value out of it as you can. If you're like me and you have OCD, you want it to look super clean and neat, you could just go into your notepad, type it in one of the notes in there, and then hide the notepad file away, and there you go. Now, for number 4, choosing not to take advantage of perks. So reading through the benefits guide at least once is worth the time in order to become familiar with the card benefits. Frequent flyer miles may be the only thing you know about an airline branded credit card, but many of them also offer free checked bags. Checking a bag at a typical cost is usually about $30 each way and would cost you an additional $120 for a round trip for you and a traveling companion if you skip that benefit. So you're going to look for travel credits, especially on travel credit cards, airport lounge access, and free hotel nights. It's worth noting about the minor perks too. Your credit card might provide cell phone insurance, rental car insurance, price protection, extended warranties, or free FICO credit score checks. Now, number 5, getting ripped off on redemptions. The rewards you earn with your credit card are only half of the value proposition. When earning points rather than cash back, consider what those points are worth when they're redeemed. For most credit cards, aim for a redemption value of a penny per point. In some cases, points for merchandise, gift cards, and pay with points, such as at Amazon, are less than 1 cent per point, which is not a good value. So be intelligent with how you're redeeming those points. Consider transferring the points or miles to other loyalty programs if you use a travel credit card. Credit card enthusiasts typically get a lot of value out of their points or miles by utilizing these tips. And if you're not getting a lot of value out of your points or miles, then you're going to kind of want to stop, reassess, check your account, and try and see why you versus some of those credit card enthusiasts, are getting different results. So number 6 is going to be not using your online discounts. So some major credit card companies offer card-linked discounts or extra rewards at certain online stores, in addition to your card's regular rewards rate. So you can stack savings or points by making a few additional clicks through their web-based portals and deals. Anyways, that's all the tips I have for you guys today. If you guys want to see more, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.